Hi there. I'm Bonna Dey, and I'm passionate about making your brand shine with stunning logo designs. As a logo designer, I'm not just creating images, I'm solving problems. Your logo is often the first impression your audience has of your brand. It needs to be memorable, versatile, and reflective of your brand's values and identity. So, how can I help you? It's simple. By listening. By understanding your unique challenges and goals, I can craft a logo that not only looks fantastic but also speaks volumes about your brand. With a keen eye for aesthetics, I prioritize clean and impactful visuals, ensuring that every project stands out. My commitment to excellence is reflected in a track record of delivering error-free designs on time. In addition to logo design, my skills extend to social media post-banner design, business card, banner/flyer/poster design, brochure design, business card design, menu card design, book cover design, and so on. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Whether you're a startup looking for a fresh identity or an established business in need of a logo revamp, I'm here to assist.